and then we will all end in a fiery pit of doom. Wait, can I try that again? Today we're looking at a common question many homeowners worry and fear about. When will the next real estate market crash, and how bad will it be? That's a great question, and you're absolutely right to worry. The market has been heating up so much recently that many people are speculating that a market crash is right around the corner. Sure, it could happen tomorrow, but history and the current data seems to tell us a different story. For the most part, real estate has always run on an 18-year cycle since the 1800s, with only two exceptions. One during World War II, and the second when the Federal Reserves doubled the interest rates in 1979. So the 18-year cycle isn't perfect, but there seems to be some predictability on how real estate markets behave. Since the last market peaked in 2008, using our 18-year cycle, we can expect that our current market will peak around 2022 or 2024, given some margin of error. But when the real estate market does start to go back down, the real question people want to know is how far down will it go? That's a really interesting question, and it's a lot harder to predict, but it boils down to basically two things. One, how developers and builders will behave when the market starts to shift downward, and how the Federal Reserve handles interest rates. Wise developers and builders would notice the downtrend and stop building. If they continue to build, they would add to the supply of homes available for sale, which in turn would increase the inventory and decrease home values. Interest rates can help force builders to stop building, but if the Federal Reserve waits too long to raise the interest rates, homes will continue to get built past demand, driving home values down further. The depth of a real estate market crash will be totally dependent on how developers and builders respond. In 2008, they didn't respond very well, and that created a super depressed real estate market for years. As painful as the 2008 real estate market crash was, it was predictable. If we continue to hold to the timeline, then you can expect to experience market growth until around 2022 or 2024.